So our first speaker is Jochen Schmidt. He's Chief Scientist for Environmental Information at NIWA, and he's going to talk about his work on the Emergency Event Database Catalogue.
Kia ora, everyone. Next slide, please. I guess the key aspect I want to talk today about is the challenge of data sharing during and preceding extreme events. During the events of last year, that was highlighted by various agencies as a key challenge. And I just want to present today I guess, an initial solution that we propose and we developed to support that. But before I do that, I introduce the National Environmental Data Center. Of course, that's the technology platform that the solution was built on. The National Environmental Data Center was initiated in 2019 by Science New Zealand, which is the mother organization for all the Crown Research Institutes in New Zealand. And we established in 2022 a governance group that I'm co-chairing to basically support ongoing maintenance and further developments of the platform. We launched the NETS webpage that you can see the link, nets.nz there. If you don't know it, please have a look at it. As a landing page catalog to CRI data sources. And we have since then improved this platform. We have included data quality frameworks, consistent data quality frameworks across CRIs, and we're working further towards integrating CRI data services as part of that collaboration. So why I'm telling you this? This is a platform we have developed, the CRIs, but when last year all these challenges around data sharing came up. Next slide, please. We came up with the idea of basically reusing our technology stack to build an extreme event data catalog. A catalog that enables quick sharing of data during extreme events to support response, recovery, etc. And particularly, I'd like to acknowledge Jill Jolly. She was instrumental in pushing that ahead. And here you see the various other people that were involved in the technology implementation. We were able to do in quite short order, which was 2 months, basically to stand up a separate service, which we call Emergency Event Catalogue. And you see the logo there, and you see also the URL there, eedc.nets.nz, for which actually works, which can be used. We pre-populated it with some data from Gabrielle and other events and did some testing. And unfortunately, this is where the story ends. We had some initial discussions last year around, okay, NETS as a CRI collaboration has stood this capability up. And we had further discussions around governance and ownership. We were very happy to support the platform, but we weren't sure if the CRIs were the right people or organizations to own the platform, i.e. the processes around it. So while we were okay with technology support, we were less, I guess, or lukewarm on the content support. Because, I mean, as you guys know, in Ethereum, there's so many different agencies involved, and the science sector is only part of that. So what we have then done, because there was no big uptake, to start an MOU and as the CRIs. So we wanted to sign an MOU that the CRIs actually support that. And basically that means that each CRI agency takes on the particular events. When an earthquake happens, GNS will do that and will basically own the content of the platform. Unfortunately, as you know, and as Tom initiated, we had some changes since last year, political changes, and we are under science review. So unfortunately, I can report signing of that MOU and further support of the platform is at the moment unclear to me. We had a chat, and of course, Science CE's Science New Zealand changed as well. We had a chat with Kate just a few weeks ago, and we said, where should the direction go? We have a platform here that can be used. We just need to clarify who is actually owning it, who can use it. That's where we are. Next slide. If you are interested, this is how it looks like. You can basically create new events if you want. You can add data sets. It's a platform driven by a CMS and can be quite easily used. We're using the same platform for our more than 100 data sets we're sharing as CRIs with the public. And yeah, we're interested with anybody who is interested in that. I'm very happy to talk with anyone. Kia ora.